Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we got another problem. So this is the Toyota Rav4. So before I got home yesterday, I realized the temperature gauge was going up. So I realized was water coming from up there to the ground, but I can't see where's the water coming from. So I gotta take this top off here in order to take the radiator out and then see what's wrong. So stay tuned and watch this video. So first we gotta drain the water out before we do anything. And here on the top there is some Phillips screw over here, over out. And same thing here, there is a 12 milli bolt over here and one inside in here, both sides. Okay, of course you gotta move some too. There is a 4 12 milli bolt over there. In this case, you don't have to move the fan. You can just slide the whole thing up, and then when you install it back, slide it back down carefully. So in this video, I'll be doing some normal video and some time lapse. Okay, they all been moved. Large Phillips over here, small Phillips right here, and 10 millimeter socket right here. And then on the inside right here, inside over here, you have to use a wrench for you to put in down there and remove it. If not, you have to remove this whole piece over here, over around, over here, and then on the outside as well. It's a lot of work, but this way just kind of get down here and get down out in this side over here. It shouldn't be so hard. Now move this other way, pull this on back, pull this on the way too, and then pop this baby up just like that. Now before I move these hoses, I'm going to drain the water out first. There you go. Now after moving this top one, the bottom one is better. It's better and easier to do it from the bottom. Only you have to do just move this cover off, and then you can reach up here. Right there, she's right there. You can just reach up here and then do it here. Okay, in this process, it's very easy to use one of these, and then remove this connector, and then this one over here, and then the whole thing should slide out. You don't have to move the fan away from the radiator at the moment. Until then, if you have to, you can take it out. Okay, after moving these blocks out, push them away, everything away, and then pull it up. Now I may have to take this fan out and see where's the water coming from.
Yeah.
Now I don't see where's the water coming from. I just now had to figure out the way how to close this one out, and then this one as well. After that, I can put pressure through here. Okay, this is the next day. That was yesterday. So this is how I got this one set up now. I got this hose over here, all around to the bottom one, and then I got the lid up here, and then the little pipe over down here to the radiator. And that's one of those over there. And the bottom, this is how I got it shut up here. This is how I got this one, the thing shut off here. Just that's how I'm going to do my test. And I got a garden hose over here. Right here you can run water or air, or you can run your air here too, or water right here as well. You can take this one off. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to do with this garden hose and then compressed air. So the first option most people got or available is the garden hose. So you can put your garden hose over here if it's stretch enough, or over here, it don't matter. Well, in this case I had some adapter over here. This is supposed to be the drainer. This piece was in there, so I took it off and then put something else over there. And up here on the table, this is what I got right here. I can use one of these, or this setup right here, I can use this one over here. Okay, first let's do it with the water, the garden hose. See where's the water coming from, somewhere over here or in the bottom. Okay, I don't see on this side, but I think on this side it's coming out. Right there with the water, you can see right now. Nowhere else. And all the way around. In the bottom, you don't see nothing. Right there. Top, I can see it right here. Especially right on that spot. On this side, I don't see any. As you can see right there, nothing. So that's how you do it with the water. Okay, now it's time to do it with the air. So I decided to not to use this and not to use the other one, this one over here, this other setting. So I took this one off and put this one back on like I had it was supposed to be. So this one left like this. I think that's the most other option people got. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to soap up the radiator and then I put this in here and then release the air. Okay, it's shower time. Make sure you soak up everything like that. That way you can find the hole. Alright, now I got my other helper here putting this air in here. Okay, now let's see if it works. Go. Oh, right here. Right here. As you can see right there. That's with the air. In the bottom. On the other side. At the same thing over there. That's the other side on the bottom. I don't see nothing. Well, I hope this is helpful for you. As you can see right now, that's how you do with the air. Soak it up and then good to go. As it says over there, it handles up to 3500 PSI. So I think this will be okay if it seals the hole. So this is how I'm going to do my. You can use a hot knife if it's better, I believe, but this is how I'm going to do my over here. That way it will stick better, it will stay there longer and stronger. Okay, this is how I'm going to mix it, either using this piece of bottle or this plastic spoon, and then I'm going to mix it with a zip tie. That way I can throw everything away after it's done. So now I'm going to put you on a time lapse and a fast pace. That way you can see me do the whole thing. Okay, let's see how is the $8 plastic welder do. Hope it works all the way around. I did it 2 layers, so I think it will work. Well, now let's install this bad boy back in. Okay, now it's in. Now I just have to wait for 24 hours and then put coolant back in and then start the car. Alright guys, this is 3 days later. We tried the car yesterday and today, and I have not seen any leak on the floor yet. It's still in the same place. I don't see any water, and over here I don't see any, and right here I don't see any water coming out, so that's good. So I hope this helps you out. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and there is some of my video on the left, top or bottom. Make sure you watch those. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next video. Until then, bye for now.